Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. If you're using the SofaScore app on your Android device and want to permanently delete your account, this video is for you. We'll walk you step by step through the process so you can remove your account safely and quickly using the app settings. Let's get started. First, open the SofaScore app on your Android device. Make sure you are in the Profile section by tapping the profile icon at the bottom. At the top right corner, tap the Settings icon to access app settings. Scroll all the way down until you find the Delete Account option at the bottom of the Settings menu. Tap Delete Account. A screen will appear asking you to choose the reason for deleting your account. Select a reason from the list that matches your situation. Then tap on the Continue button at the bottom of the screen. A confirmation prompt will appear. Tap Yes, Delete to permanently delete your SofaScore account. And that's it. Your SofaScore account is now deleted. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other app tutorials. See you next time.